It's fairly easy to make this, and I've used paste pigments for the entire project. I've used a white paste pigment, a cream, and a pastel purple paste pigment. I also used some tinsel at the borders. I added a lot of tinsel to a small quantity of resin and created a border. I'm going to give you the example of how I did that in the smaller mold. I mixed my resin and I mixed all my colors and I kept them aside. I kept them aside for about 10 minutes as this is a fast cure resin and that helps in bubble release. So basically there has to be enough tinsel in your resin so that the resin is thick and doesn't move much. We want the tinsel to come a little over the design because I personally love the sparkle, and as we know, everything moves towards the center. However, keeping it thick will help keeping the tinsel in its place on the outer edge as a border. And that's how I did the outer rims of this project. You can use sequins, you can use glitter. It's not necessary that you have to use tinsel. I then added clear resin in the center of the mold. And after about a minute, I started seeing that the tinsel has already started moving towards the center. I started with my pastel purple color and I made a small zigzag flowery design a little away from the outer circle. I continued the same with the white color, but this time I made sure that I went in between the earlier created petals or the design. My third color is cream paste pigment, and I'm going to make a very small zigzag circle in the center. I am about 15 minutes in now, and I am pouring the clear resin once again in the center of the mold. I'm trying to flood the colored parts with the clear resin, kind of pushing the color. Eventually, all the color will start pulling in towards the center and it will start stretching the color out. That stretch is going to help us create these beautiful cell-like structures or lacing patterns. And now you just have to cover your work and let it cure. This is the side that was facing the mold. This design can be used from both sides. You can choose any side as per your desire. You can use any color combination you wish. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.